What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So this is what you guys don't really get to see, okay? I don't share a lot of these videos. So this video here, this morning I started window cleaning at 5:02 this morning when I hit my first place to window clean. And then I went to my furthest window cleaning job. I did 6 window cleaning jobs before I picked up my guy. And so I picked him up. We did 22 jobs, and then I dropped him off, and then I came back home. But before I came back home, I did 3 other jobs. I did a Tim Hortons, I did a Jimmy John's, and I did the trade center that I'm at. So I'm telling you, I am whipped. Now, it's just turned 8 o'clock. Now I have an hour to put in for advertisement, because that is what I do. But I'm tired. You have no idea. My bones ache, my hands throb. It was 32 degrees outside today, so it was freezing cold. Then it was hot as shit inside, and then you start sweating. I feel so dehydrated, Eric, why do you feel dehydrated? Well, when you go, you're freezing to death, okay, so you have a lot of layers on. Then you go inside, and they have the heat on, I don't know, 80 degrees it feels like, and you have thermals on, and you have hats on, and gloves, and you have your regular little skinny gloves, and you have rubber gloves over that. Then you got mittens on, and then you're just sweating to death. And then you do this all day long for 13, 14 hours, and I'm exhausted. But I promised myself that I would get into some advertisement at least in an hour. And so whether that's looking up different advertisement ideas or looking up for the next advertising ideas for the window cleaning business, gutter cleaning business, or power washing business. We don't do any marketing for the shirt sales. We really don't need to. A lot of that only is done on Facebook Marketplace, so that's really simple and easy. And then the booth down there too generates quite a few business opportunities. And when I see quite a few, it ranges about $350 to $400 a day that I'm down there, and I'm there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So not bad for a start out business. I think it's a pretty cool thing. But the power washing, we're starting to get even more calls on that, and that's good. Gutter cleaning is always like window cleaning, right? But power washing is where I make my money. And I mean, window cleaning you do too, but power washing is really where you start kicking in the money really quickly.